Hey also, when we were together last, you asked how my sensor actually, like how I put it on and so on. As my last sensor fell out whilst I was in bath, I'm going to show you in this video. So first off, open my box. Check out instruction manual. Now that is the sensor in with the thing that you use to apply it. So we take that bit off and place it there for a moment. And this bit is the spiky bit. So we take the lid off that and find where the little bit of plastic is there. We find a little hole there. Push it down like that. Okay. We find swabs. Not sure why they give two. We rip it open. It's technically supposed to go alternating arms, but I find it gives me a lot of pain in my right arm for some reason. I don't know why, but whatever. So I'm going to put it here. So hopefully you'll be able to see whilst I rub this about there. And then take this out. As you can probably see in there, this spiky bit with the sensor. And I fold my arm. And I press down. Some bit of metal goes into my arm. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I probably don't need to count to 10 like that, but I just want to make sure the glue sticks properly. And then I take my phone. Turn my phone on, get it to the home screen, and then I move the thing there. It won't work. I accidentally moved it out of position. Find the and because my old sensor hadn't entirely expired, it's asking if I want to start a new one, which I do, because otherwise I can't test my blood glucose. So I click yes. And then I have to scan it one more time. And then it says starting a new scanner. Can scan in an hour.